Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all my top 5 favorite products on Maybelline. Now all of these are under 500 rupees. So if you're interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. So Maybelline has always been my favorite brands. Like my first products were from Maybelline. So yeah, the quality, the packaging, the price range, everything's just on point, and all the teenagers can afford this for sure. So all of these products which I'm gonna show you, you can also include this in your beginner's kit if you are new to makeup and you just are exploring, you have just started to explore the makeup, then you should definitely give this product a try. So let's start now. So the first product I'm gonna talk about here is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Now I am in the shade 30 Honey. This is how the packaging looks like. If you can see, I've already used up quite a bit of this product and I'm only left with this much. So this product is my holy grail. Like if I'm not feeling like putting on foundation or something, I will just put this concealer on and I will be good to go. Like this is so versatile. You can use this as concealer, or you can no foundation. Even if you're going for no foundation look, you can still use this concealer, and they have a variety of shades in this also, so you will definitely find your perfect match in this range. So the formula, the texture, everything is just great about this concealer. I haven't come across any concealer I like better than this one. So yeah, this has to be my top favorite in Maybelline. So yeah, this is the product. Now this doesn't really grease up, or it's not too dry or not too oily on your skin, so all skin types can definitely try this, and I'm sure you will also like this product a lot. So yeah, this is my first product, which is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Now this one retails for 475 rupees, and as I just said, my shade in this is 30 Honey. Now the next product is, I'm sure so many of you are already using this. So the next product I'm talking about is Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact Powder. Now I am in the shade Shell. Now this one used to retail for 160 rupees, and I believe they have discontinued this, and now they call this Fit Me Compact Powder instead of Super Fresh White Compact Powder. So yeah, even I'm sure the formulation and everything is just same, but if you still find this somewhere, you can totally give this a try, because it's very lightweight and you won't feel like you've applied any compact on your face. But try to choose your right shade, and that will be it for you. This is very affordable as well, and it's a very good quality compact. You won't have to use any concealer or any foundation, and you can just use this and you will be good to go. So yeah, this is the second product I like a lot from Maybelline. Now this is almost about to expire, and I have used this much of the product. I have already hit the pan, as you can see. So yeah, I sadly broke the mirror somehow. So yeah, this is the product which comes with the sponge, but I don't think the sponge is very usable, so you can just throw this away and use your own other beauty sponge or anything. So yeah, this is the next product I love a lot in the Maybelline. Now comes the eye parts of. Okay, so with liner, I can't really use those brush liners because I'm very bad with art, and that totally shows up on my face whenever I'm applying eyeliner with that brush liner. So it's very important for me that I use sketch liner, so it's kind of easier for me to draw a wing or liner or anything I want. So the Maybelline New York Colossal Liner has always been my favorite whenever it comes to liner. So I don't think I can ever be bored with this liner, because it's so jet black color, like it's very dark, and it comes on your lid very nicely, and you can, because of its tip, like it's felt tip liner, as you can see, because of its tip you can really draw precise wing liner, or you can even draw a micro liner with this, I believe. So this is the next product which I absolutely love, and it's under 500. Now this one retails for 420 rupees. It's kind of expensive for me even for liner, but it goes a long way, so you don't really have to worry about it. You can just get this for one time and you will be good for like 1 year, even if you use this on a daily basis. So yeah, you should definitely try this product if you are looking for some sketch liner. So this is the Maybelline Colossal liner. Now for mascara, I have two favorites. These two are like, I can't choose one out of these. Both of these are very good when it comes to mascara. The first one is Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. This one is waterproof. You can also get this in washable version, but I got this in waterproof. Now this one retails for 399 rupees, and it definitely gives a volume to your lashes, and you will feel like you have applied fake lashes. Now the wand of this looks something like this. I cannot do without this mascaras. I need Maybelline mascaras in my vanity all the time. So yeah, this is the first mascara, and I like this Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express mascara. Now this is washable version, it's not waterproof, but I'm gonna show you the wand, and it's just amazing. Like, I really enjoy applying the mascara because I have these mascaras. So it's slightly curved, if you can see. Like, I'm gonna show you the comparison so you can tell what I'm talking about. So this is the yellow one is Volume Express and the black one is Hypercurl mascara. Both are good, like they are equally good, and they both do serve the purpose. So yeah, if you are looking for some mascaras and you are a beginner and you can't think of any good quality mascara, then this is something you should go for. It's so amazing and you will never get disappointed by this, I promise. So, and buy this one. Both are very amazing quality, and they definitely give volume to your lashes, so that's a great thing. Now this one retails for 310. This is for 310 rupees, and this is for 399 rupees. So these are the mascara option in Maybelline, which I absolutely love. Now the last product in this video I have for you is lipstick. Obviously we have to include lipstick because lipstick completes the entire look. Like, you do your base, you do your brows, you do your eyes, but if you don't do your lips, your makeup is not gonna look complete. So the lipstick I'm gonna talk about here is Maybelline Creamy Mattes by Color Sensation in the shade Pretty Please. Now this one retails for 299 rupees, and I like this bold shade, that's why I have included this lipstick in here. But you can go ahead with your choice of your preference of colors, because they have around 33 colors in this, and you also have like nudes, they have reds, they have pink, they have purples, they have brown, they have magenta colors and everything. This one, it's almost like a wine color. I'm gonna swatch this. It's kind of dark, but I really love wearing dark lips, so that's why this is in my favorites for Maybelline. So this is the last product in my top 5 of Maybelline. So yeah, that was all. I hope this video was helpful for some of you. If you are really looking to invest and you're really looking to start to build up your makeup vanity, then you should start with this product. I promise you will not get disappointed by any of these. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please video ko like kar dena and subscribe to my channel. I'm very close to reach 800 subscribers, so help me reach there. So thank you so much. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.